కొద్దిగా అడుగు కొద్దిగా క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక ఏం రాసినావు ఏం చేయొచ్చు అడుగు చెప్పు ఏమో రాసేటుంటే సాయంత్రం మళ్ళీ నాకు రాసి పెట్టండి
ఓకే. ఓం గురురామ్ నమస్తే. Good afternoon all of you. My dear second class students, today discuss about division. You know division? The process of distribution is called as division. The process of distribution is called division. See here again the repeated subtraction is called also division. See here division. The process of distribution is called division. See beta, this is your course book volume 3. Course book volume 3. So everybody open page number 46. Page number 46. See here, there were 10 students in Sheila's class. Sheila class lo oka 10 students unnar beta. There were 10 students in Sheila class. She had 20 toffees. How many toffees are there with Sheila? 20 toffees, like chocolates. And wanted to distribute these toffees equally among them. తను ఏం చేస్తుంది, వాటిని అందరికీ ఈక్వల్గా ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటుంది, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలనుకుంటుంది. See here, she gave one chocolate to each. ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క చాక్లెట్ ఇచ్చింది. సో షీ గేవ్ వన్ చాక్లెట్ టు ఈచ్ చైల్డ్ ఫస్ట్. ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క చాక్లెట్ ఇచ్చింది. హౌ మెనీ చాక్లెట్స్ కంప్లీటెడ్? 10 chocolates completed. Remaining how many? So total chocolates what? 2. Total chocolates 20. Total chocolates how many beta? 20. She gave one chocolate. She gave one chocolate to each child. To each child. First, she gave one chocolate to each child. First ఏం చేసిందని ఒక్కొక్క చాక్లెట్ ఇచ్చింది. How many completed beta? 10 students means 10 chocolates completed. Huh? 10 completed. So 20. So 10 students. 20 chocolates. So how many chocolates completed in first time? 10 chocolates completed. Then how many remaining? 10 remaining. ఇంకెన్ని మిగులుతాయి బేటా? This is the 20 chocolates. First she give one chocolate to each child. ఒక్కొక్కడికి ఒక్కొక్క చాక్లెట్ ఇచ్చింది. మన క్లాస్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? నంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎంతమంది బేటా ఇన్ ఏ క్లాస్ రూమ్? నంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ 10. So first time she gave one chocolate to each child. So how many completed? 10 chocolates completed. So how many chocolates are left? 10 chocolates left. Again she gave one chocolate to each child second time. Antena kada? See, he had 10 chocolates more than she again distributed, again gave how many chocolates? 1 chocolates to each child. Nana ఒక్కొక్కడికి మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ టైం ఒక్కొక్క చాక్లెట్ ఇచ్చింది. సో నౌ ఈచ్ హ్యాడ్ 2 chocolates. ఈచ్ స్టూడెంట్ హ్యాడ్ 2 chocolates. ఎందరు ఉన్నారు బేటా? 10 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఒక్కొక్కటి ఇచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ టైం ఒకటి ఇచ్చింది. అంటే ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ దగ్గర ఎన్ని చాక్లెట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? 2 chocolates ఉన్నాయి. సో ఈచ్ స్టూడెంట్ హ్యాడ్ 2 chocolates. So this process is known as division. The process of distribution is called division. See here, from your course book, try to solve the following to understand the concept of division. Draw the objects in the boxes. See, everybody listen carefully. Now you can draw in your course book. First I am draw on the blackboard. So first box. Yeah. So these are the flowers beta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the flowers beta. Already given in your course book. Okay? See here. Listen carefully, everybody. This is sunflower beta. Okay. See how many empty boxes given beta? How many empty boxes given? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can draw 4 empty boxes. One, 2, 3, 4 beta. First I want to distribute one flower to each box. Okay na? See how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now first time I want to distribute one flower to each box. See now this is here. So one flower is completed, tick it. Okay? Draw. Now next, second flower, second box. So second flower also completed. See. Hello, look at the blackboard. Next, third flower, distribute to third box. Okay, see here. So this is completed. Next, fourth. So how many flowers distribute first time? How many flowers distribute first time? 4 flowers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am distributing to each box 1 flower. Now I am distributing 1 flower to each box first time. Now how many remaining here? 4 flowers are remaining. Now see, now I am distributing second time. So 1 flower to each box. Then this is completed. Next, this is here. This is also completed. Next, this is here. This is also completed. Last one. See here. See here, beta. Each box contains how many flowers? 2 flowers. So write down here. Each see here, each box contains How many flowers, beta? 2 flowers. So first time I am distributing 1 flower to each box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers completed. Now second time I can distribute 1 flower to each box. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 8 flowers completed. Then we can count each box has 2 flowers. So each box contain 2 flowers. The total flowers how many? 8. These 8 flowers are distributed to 4 boxes. Now I am distributing, then each box contain 2 flowers. Did you understand? The process of distribution. Now in distribution, no? The process of distribution is called division. Now next one. Now next one, balls, beta. See here. Yeah, here how many balls? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many boxes given? Empty boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, don't touch. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. So total how many balls are there, beta? 10 balls. Now I am distributing 1 ball to each box. So here, 1 ball here. 1 ball completed, tick it. Next, second ball is second box. Then tick it. Next, third ball. Third one, so third box. Completed. Now fourth one. Okay. So here fifth. 5 completed. So first time I am distributing how many balls? 5 balls. So now I am distributing 1 ball to each box. This is 1 ball, 1 ball, 1 ball, 1 ball, 1 ball. Total 5 balls completed. Now I am distributing 5 balls. Now second time I want to distribute second time 1 ball to each box. See here, 1. Next, second ball, second box. Second time. Next, third ball. So 1, 2, 3. So fourth one. Fifth one. See here, each box contain how many balls? 2 balls. ఒక్కొక్క బాక్స్ లో ఎన్ని బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న? 2 balls. So you can write each box contains 2 balls. 2 balls. Now next, banana. Next, banana. BOX, box. How many are bananas? See here. Here how many bananas are there, beta? 12 bananas are there. So here, how many boxes are given? 4 boxes. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now I want to distribute 1 banana to each box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 bananas distributed. So 1 banana distributed to each box. Now second time. 1 banana. Next this is box 2. Next this is. Next this is. See here how many bananas are distributed. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bananas completed. Remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Third time I can distribute 1 banana to each box. See here. One, 2. This is 3. This is 4. So each box contains how many bananas? 3 bananas. Did you understand? Here 12 bananas distributed equal to 4 boxes. So each box gets 3 bananas. Each box contains 3 bananas. Write down. Each box contains 3 bananas. Write down. Now next laddu saranana. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 4 is 20. 20. So now next laddus. How many laddus are there? 20 laddus. The total number of laddus how many? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5 is 20. So how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, I want to distribute laddus. One laddu for each box. See here, one laddu. Okay. Second one, second box. Okay. Third laddu, third box. Fourth laddu, fourth box. Fifth laddu, fifth box. Okay. Now I am taking this. Now I wanted to distribute second time. One laddu for each box. See here. First laddu, first box. Second laddu, second box. Third laddu, third box. Fourth laddu, fourth box. Fifth laddu, fifth box. How many laddus completed? 10. So remaining how many laddus are there? 10. Now I want to distribute again one laddu for each box. See here, one laddu. Second laddu here, second box. Third laddu, third box. Fourth laddu, fourth box. Fifth laddu, fifth box. How many laddus completed? 15 laddus completed. Remaining how many? 5 laddus. So now again I want to distribute how many times? So fourth time, no? Again distribute one laddu for each box. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total laddus distributed. See here. Once observe how many laddus are. How many laddus are contains each box? 1, 2, 3, 4 laddus. Each box contains 4 laddus. Write down. Each box contains 4 laddus. Now next laddus after TVs. So laptops now. LED TV. How many are 30? So I can draw small. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how many boxes, beta? 6 boxes. Here, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. See here. So total how many LED TVs are there? 30. I wanted to distribute 1 TV for each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 TVs distributed. So 1 TV for each box. Now second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now fourth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now fifth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I am distributing all the LED TVs to each box. So here each box contains how many TVs? 5 TVs. Okay. So each box contains 5 LED TVs. Did you understand? Okay, beta. Today your class is completed. Thank you to all.